Good morning, all of you, and welcome to today's special morning assembly on the occasion of National Unity Day. What India is today is largely because of immense contribution of its several selfless leaders since ages. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, India's Iron Man, born on October 31, 1875, the architect of independent India, stands tallest among them. To acknowledge his efforts in uniting the nation, India celebrates National Unity Day or Rashtriya Ekta Divas on his birth anniversary every year since 2014. This year marks his 144th anniversary. The history of modern India would be incomplete without the mention of a freedom fighter, nationalist, and an ace politician. He is credited to weave the loose coalition of the 565 princely states. The founding father of the Republic of India served as the first Home Minister, guiding it through the rough days of partition and the dawn of independence. To give you a deep insight into his ideologies and vision of new India, here is Anusha to throw light on this inspiring personality.
अल्पनामपि वस्तुना सन्निधिः कार्यसाधिका त्रिनैर्गुणतमापन्ने बध्यन्ते मतदन्तिनः. Just as a rope made of hay can control an elephant, even insignificant things when put together can accomplish great feats. Unity is power. Good morning, everyone. Today, on behalf of Pratap Public School, I wish you a happy National Unity Day. National Unity Day, also known as Rashtriya Ekta Divas, is celebrated every year on 31st October to commemorate the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Patel, who served as the first Deputy Prime Minister of India, played a leading role in the country's struggle for freedom. He guided the country's integration into a united, independent nation. His commitment to national integration of 565 independent princely states into a newly independent country was total and uncompromising, earning him the sobriquet Iron Man of India. To honor his contributions, the Statue of Unity, the world's tallest statue, was dedicated to him on his birth anniversary, 31st October in 2018. On this day, a nationwide marathon, Run for Unity, is organized, and a pledge is administered to increase awareness about the integral strength of the nation. National Unity Day provides us with an opportunity to reaffirm the inherent strength and resilience of our nation to withstand actual potential threats to the unity, integrity, and security of our country. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Anusha, for apprising us of an astute leader. Indeed, it has been rightly stated by our Honorable Prime Minister about him that we will find very few people with all these traits together, like ideological depth, moral courage, political acumen, deep knowledge of the agricultural sector, and devotion to national unity. He was the one who devoted his entire life towards the unity of the country. Unfortunately, today his Dream India faces grave challenges due to regionalism gaining ground, separatist tendencies developing among certain sections, state communal riots erupting every now and then, and casteism spreading its fangs, posing a threat to the unity of India. It is the need of the hour to follow the ideologies of man behind the unification of India. Today, on his birth anniversary, let us pay a tribute to this towering personality by taking a pledge to follow in his footsteps. I kindly request all of you to take pledge position and repeat after me. I solemnly pledge that I dedicate myself to preserve the unity, integrity, and security of the nation, and also strive hard to spread this message among my fellow countrymen. I take this pledge in the spirit of unification of my country which was made possible by the vision and actions of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. I also solemnly resolve to make my own contribution to ensure internal security of my country. Hands down. Thank you, everyone. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel stated, and I quote, "Manpower without unity is not a strength unless it is harmonized and united properly. Only then it becomes a spiritual power." Let us watch Partapians celebrate India's unity in diversity through this video.
हम एक हैं, हम एक हैं, हम अनेकता में भी एक हैं। हम एक हैं, हम एक हैं, हम अनेकता में भी एक हैं। हम एक हैं, हम एक हैं, हम अनेकता में भी एक हैं। हम एक हैं, हम एक हैं, हम अनेकता में भी एक हैं। देखती है ये जमीन आसमान है देखता, देखती है ये जमीन आसमान है देखता। अनेकता में एकता हिंद की विशेषता। अनेकता में एकता हिंद की विशेषता। हम एक हैं, हम एक हैं, हम अनेकता में भी एक हैं। एक देश के अंग हैं, रंग भिन्न भिन्न हैं। एक जननी भारती के कोटि सुत अभिन्न हैं। कोटि जीव बालकों में ब्रह्म एक खेलता। कोटि जीव बालकों में ब्रह्म एक खेलता। अनेकता में एकता हिंद की विशेषता। अनेकता में एकता हिंद की विशेषता। हम एक हैं, हम एक हैं, हम अनेकता में भी एक हैं। हम एक हैं, हम एक हैं, हम अनेकता में भी एक हैं। हम एक हैं, हम एक हैं, हम अनेकता में भी एक हैं। हम एक हैं, हम एक हैं, हम अनेकता में भी एक हैं।
India has always worn its secularism with pride, but the cracks in religious tolerance have been showing quite prominently of late. We must not forget the teachings of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel that every Indian should now forget that he is a Rajput, a Sikh, or a Jat. He must remember that he is an Indian and he has every right in his country, but with certain duties. There still might be many lesser known facts about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, like he was late start and had keen sense of humor. Well, now it's time to put your skill to test through a quiz contest. Yes, children, you can use this link to attempt the quiz. But before wrapping up today's celebration, I would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to our Honorable Director Principal, Mrs. Poonam Nevitt, a highbrow, for being the driving force behind today's endeavor. And I also express sincere thanks to all the participants and everyone else who have contributed in one way or the other to today's celebrations. Thank you, everyone. Let us resolve to tread upon the path shown by a great visionary. Take to the path of dharma, the path of truth and justice. Don't misuse your valor. Remain united. March forward in all humility, but fully awake to the situation you face, demanding your rights and firmness. Thank you, everyone.